If you own a Larson storm door and need a reliable handle replacement, this product is designed just for you. It fits doors with a factory bored 9/16 inch by 1-3/8 inch mortised hole on the edge, ensuring a perfect match without any guesswork. This handle combines classic style with practical functionality, making it a smart choice for any homeowner. What sets this handle apart is its rotating lever design, which offers smooth operation and a comfortable grip. Both interior and exterior levers match seamlessly, creating a unified look that complements your door's appearance. Plus, the built-in keyed lock adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind without sacrificing style. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The package comes with all necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions, so you won't need extra tools or professional help. Whether you're replacing a worn-out handle or upgrading your door's look, this handle makes the process quick and simple. Customers across the United States have praised this handle as an exact replacement for their original Larson parts. One user highlighted its sturdy construction and perfect fit, noting it restored full function after their old handle's locking pin failed. This feedback underscores the product's reliability and durability. Keep in mind, this handle is specifically made for Larson storm doors. Using a different brand might not fit properly or function as intended. If your door matches the specifications, this replacement handle is worth a look for both restoring security and refreshing your door's style. If you're ready to upgrade or replace your Larson storm door handle, this option delivers what you need. It blends classic design, dependable security, and easy installation into one package. Try it when you're ready to bring new life to your storm door without hassle.